In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook post in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right canvas, customize it with images and text, and export it so it looks great on your Facebook page or profile. First, log into Canva. On the home page, go to the search bar and type Facebook post. This pulls up designs sized perfectly for Facebook. If you prefer, you can click Create a Design and select Facebook post from the list. Either option takes you to a properly sized canvas, so you don't have to worry about dimensions. Next, choose a template. Browse the free templates or search for a theme like motivational or marketing to narrow down the style. If you see something close to your vision, select it and it will open on your canvas. If you want complete control, start with a blank canvas and build from scratch. Now, customize your design. Begin with the background. You can change the color to match your brand, pick a gradient, add an image, or use one of Canva's pre-made backgrounds. For visuals, upload your own photos using the Uploads tab, or drag and drop images from Canva's library. Once placed, you can crop, reposition, and use adjustments like brightness, contrast, and filters to make the image pop. For text, click any text box to edit the wording. Update fonts, colors, and sizes to ensure readability, especially on mobile. Consider adding a subtle text background or shadow if your text sits over a busy photo. Keep your message short and clear so it's easy to scan in the feed. To add extra flair, open the Elements tab to insert shapes, lines, icons, or decorative graphics. Use these to emphasize key points or create separation between text and images. Aim for balance and breathing room so the design doesn't feel crowded. If you want to add a link, highlight your text, click the link icon, and paste your URL. Keep in mind, links embedded in images won't be clickable on Facebook image posts. For better results, place the URL in your caption when you upload to Facebook. When you're happy with your design, click the Share button in the top right, then select Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics and text, or JPG for a smaller file size, especially if your design is photo-heavy. Download the file to your device. Finally, upload the image to your Facebook page or profile, add your caption, and publish. That's it, your post is ready to go live. Thanks for watching.